This is Paranormal Short Session 1, the promo for Paranormal Short Session 1 at the digital alarm clock. I am using the millimeter and also the thermal imager, thermal camera to see the heat that's involved here. The Flare C5 thermal camera, it's ranging from like 98.5, which would be the yellow, light yellow, and the purple, light purple, would be 75.3 degrees Fahrenheit. So I hope everyone will check out my new book, Vampires Dead or Alive. It's available in two formats, paperback online, ebook on Kindle. And check out my YouTube channel, Paranormal Short Sessions by Keith Evans. It's free to subscribe. Thank you.